Hello guys, how are you today? To me, I'm really good. And today I will show you how to animate your e-com brand or your e-com shop. You can also use it to all your web projects. And today I will use Animate.css. You will ask me, what is Animate.css? Animate.css, it's just a simple library for your web project, and you can use it to improve the UI of your projects and also animate every element on your shop or your project also. So let's go guys. First of all, you need to install it. You can use a terminal. If you don't know how to use a terminal, and that's what I will show you today, the simple method. So we're gonna start it. First of all, you need to copy the link, and as you can see, the link has to be put inside the head of your HTML index. So for me, I will show you how to do it on Shopify. So you just have to go there inside your theme, you click on action and edit the code. Up, I will quit this. Okay guys, you have to go inside the theme liquid. So sometimes it can be different, depends on your theme, but the main, you have to put the link as we copy before. You have to put the link inside the head balise. So that's what we're gonna do now. We'll try to make a small place for it. I will put it right there. Up. Everything gonna be in the description, so don't worry guys. Alright, that's it. Don't forget to save. Up. After that, you have two methods. You can add directly inside the class name of your element, but this is not the better method to do it, because sometimes the element has already a class name, so it's gonna be complicated to edit them. Alright guys, so now we have to select the element we want to modify and animate it. So for me it will be the grid here. So I will click, and also don't forget to open the console because you need it. So for to open the dev console, you have to inspect, right click and inspect, or you can also open the dev console from there. It will be rated like more tools in here. That's it. Now you will select the grid, and to select the grid you have to choose the mouse here, and we are in the grid section. No, open the small arrows, and that's it. As you can see, when your mouse is on the link, you can see it's already selected. So that's the good grid. Okay, so now you have selected your elements. You need to choose the first element as written here in the CSS. As you can see, I already added an animated effect, so I will show you where it is. You have to put here inside the theme.css.liquid file all your CSS change, and for this case I will put my animation. Up. I will I will save as to show you no more animation. Okay, as you can see, I have no more animation here. So I will copy this. This is the name of my grid, the CSS name of my grid, and I will copy it inside the CSS file and add my animated effects. So for an animation, you have to write animation, double point, the name of your animation. So for me, I will choose back in right, copy, animated, delete this one, back in right, so I just, yeah, double up, and the duration will be how many seconds you want to display the effect. So for me, I will put 3 seconds, and now I save it. And reload the page, and as you can see, now my grid is displayed from the right to the left. And as you can see here inside the CSS, my effect is already displayed. So to change it, you can choose which effect you want. You can add every effect you want. So I will show you. I want this one, for example, flip. I just have to do it in the console to preview my effect, and now you see how it is displayed. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I try to be clear as much as I can, but I will improve my English and my overall things. Sorry. And that's it, boys. See ya, and take care of you and your family. Bye.